Okay, so we are creating a Python game where we're going to solve a crime using data, and we did the first byte. This is the solution for the first byte. You had a small challenge that you had to do, so we're going to solve it here. If you want to get all the bytes as I am creating them, then you can join the membership channel and you will get everything as I create. Otherwise, you will see them once a week. Okay, so let's solve for byte 1. So byte 1, you go to Curbal, and then you go to the Learning Portal and Python, and then you will find the byte 1. Byte 1, and this is what you have to do. You have to, let's run it again. You have to ask the user for the name, and then greet them using a variable. Okay, so let's go to Google Colab. You can find the notebook in here. Go to Google Colab. And then we're going to write a username. Normally variables in Python are lowercase. So even if you use a uppercase there, proper case, don't do it, lowercase. So username, and then we're going to ask for the input, which is their name. So we're going to ask, what is your name? And then enter. And then we're going to print the, what was it? Hello, space, space plus. Python uses the spaces between things so you can read them better. I think it's really nice. Username, and then plus, and then the rest of the text, which is, it was, I think, nice to meet you. Shift enter. What is your name? You tested, and hello Ruth, nice to meet you. Okay, so we've got it. So we are going to now get byte 2, where you will learn all about functions and global and local variables. So it will be dropped today at some point. So stay tuned on the channel.